haven't made a vlog in a while, so you know what? I'm just gonna make this whole thing into a vlog. But yeah, it's gonna be like little clips of what I'm gonna be doing today until I'm done whatever you know. You know what vlogs are, you guys. But you'll be seeing me upload. I'll be making a video on my Xbox. You'll see that. You'll see how I do it and all that other stuff. This video will be going up before that one, of course. But I also adding in 2 other videos at the end then, if that's the case. But you're going to hear me ramble on about what I said earlier. I'm just going to add those clips into it as well and just say, you know, screw it. But hopefully you guys are actually walking outside now to move my bikes because it looks like it's going to, maybe not. I'll show you what they look like in the next clip. As you can tell, these are all of my bikes. Every single one. There's one right here. The BMXs are John's. That one's a 1960s bike. It's pretty old. These are all of them. They are everywhere. If you're wondering what I live by, it's all woods. One big giant circle. Holy shit, that scared me. But yep, that's my mom's window right there. And the one with the air conditioner is my room. But yeah, that's, you know, the bikes again. This looks like the biking thing I told you guys earlier is off. I have to bring the bikes upstairs, so stay tuned for later. Considering the type of day I had today, I'm just gonna make the video tomorrow, but you'll get this video today. But for gaming wise, the video is gonna be going up tomorrow on my channel. But this is just like a little random video I wanted to do. Well, alright, your question, I'm asking you a question. Do you like my hat like this, or like this? I'll leave you guys decide that. But this is DJ Andrew mixing out.